Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Windows 11 cannot find wt.exe problem which is happening for many of the users right now, and we're going to talk how we can completely fix this up. So let's dive into it, and if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe for these kind of videos. So the first one, what you have to do is you just have to go over here in the search, and you just have to search for terminal. You just have to search for terminal. As you can see, we are having the terminal app. So what you have to do is you just have to right click, and there is an option called uninstall. Just uninstall it. Okay, so after uninstalling the respective app, what you have to do is just have to go back to the search once again, and you have to go to Microsoft Store. Now from here in the Microsoft Store, you have to search for terminal, then you have to re-download it back. So I'll go over here at the top. Now you just have to search for terminal. Okay, so as you can see, the terminal is available, so you just have to search it, and now as you can see, you will be able to download it. So just download it. Okay, so that is what you have to do. And once you're done with the Windows terminal, as you can see, this is installed, so I haven't uninstalled it, so that's why. Or else we'll be getting an option called install. Just install this particular app. Okay, so after installing the particular app, you just have to close everything, and you have to do a restart, and you have to try to restart your PC, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.